This training video overviews the Pelco Sarix Enhanced 4P Series box camera. This camera leverages Pelco's smart analytics with new features like privacy masking, crowd thresholds, vehicle subclasses, and more. This can help with quicker response times and empower security teams with unparalleled insights, elevating their situational awareness. The camera allows for flexible deployment by offering a range of lens options. This enables both long and short-range capabilities. Note that the lens and camera are sold separately. In the next segment, let's review the camera's key features. Let's start with the front view. Highlighted here are the camera mounts. These provide mounting points for the camera. These mounts are compatible with commonly found tripods and mounting brackets. Located here is the ICS-CS plug port. This connector is designed to accept a connection to an ICS or CS lens, providing flexibility for lens choices. Note that the lens and camera are sold separately. The device's serial number tag provides essential information, including the product's serial and part numbers. Next, let's take a look at the camera's rear view. Located here is the input-output connector block. The I/O connector provides a link to external input-output devices. The Ethernet port accepts a connection to a network. Server communication and image data transmission occur over this connection. It also receives power when connected to a network that provides power over Ethernet. Highlighted here is the USB-C port. This port accepts a USB Type-C to USB adapter. For more information about connecting to the USB Wi-Fi adapter, refer to the installation guide or the supplementary video. Shown here is the link LED indicator. The amber LED indicator signifies an active connection in the Ethernet port. This is the connection status LED indicator. The green LED provides information about the device's operation. For more information, consult the Sarix Enhanced 4P Box Installation Guide. Highlighted here are two microSD card slots. Note that the camera currently accepts a single microSD card in either slot for onboard storage. Ensure the microSD card is positioned as shown. This is the power connector block. It accepts a terminal block with either an AC or DC power connection. The DC input can be either polarity. It is only required when PoE is not available. For more information, consult the Sarix Enhanced 4-Box Installation Guide. This completes the overview of the Pelco Sarix Enhanced 4P Series box camera. Refer to the Pelco Sarix Enhanced 4P Series box camera installation video to review the installation steps for this camera.